Looking for a high-performance Windows VPS with reliable uptime and fast setup? In this video, we'll guide you through ordering a powerful Windows VPS from 1GBits, perfect for IT specialists, developers, and engineers. Stay tuned and see how you can run your environment seamlessly in minutes. Welcome to 1GBits, where professionals like you come to find cutting-edge VPS solutions. Whether you're managing applications, databases, or other critical systems, we're here to offer high-performance Windows VPS servers tailored to your needs. To start, go to 1gbits.com and navigate to the VPS hosting section. Here, select Windows VPS from the menu. 1GBits offers multiple server configurations with enterprise-grade hardware for various professional workloads. Now, review the available VPS plans. At 1GBits, we offer configurations that cater to various professional environments, whether you're running heavy enterprise applications or handling smaller-scale virtualized services. Our servers come equipped with SSD storage, scalable RAM, and options for multiple CPU cores. Take note of the resources each plan offers and select the one that meets your needs. Next, you'll configure your VPS. Select the optimal data center location based on your client base or project requirements. 1GBits offers global server locations across Europe, the US, and Asia. This step ensures that your Windows VPS delivers low latency and reliable connections, no matter where your operations are based. Additionally, you can specify the number of dedicated IPs, additional storage options, and any other performance needs to tailor your server further for high availability or scalability. After configuring your VPS, proceed to the checkout. You can review your chosen specs before finalizing. At 1GBits, we support various payment methods, including credit cards and cryptocurrency, offering flexibility and security in transactions. Once the payment is confirmed, your Windows VPS will be deployed and ready to go within just minutes, ensuring you waste no time getting started. And that's it. You've successfully ordered your Windows VPS from 1GBits. With our reliable infrastructure, 24/7 support, and global data centers, you're equipped to handle your most demanding projects. For more tips on server management or to explore our other solutions, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching. Looking for even more? Check out our guides on optimizing your VPS performance and securing your server environment, linked in the description below.